Powder coating has emerged as a revolutionary technique in the realm of surface finishing. It's not just a sustainable choice compared to traditional paint methods, but also renowned for providing a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish to a variety of materials. Whether you're situated in Mississauga or venturing across the vast industrial landscape of the USA, delving into the powder coating process can open a world of colorful possibilities for your projects. In this guide, we'll navigate through the core aspects of powder coating services, shedding light on each stage of the process. Introduction to powder coating. Explore the basics of powder coating, a technique that goes beyond merely coloring a surface but acts as a shield against corrosion, enhancing the life of the coated object. The horizon is expansive, with the USA powder coating market expected to soar from $2.37 billion United States dollars in 2023 to an estimated $3.59 billion United States dollars by 2032. The burgeoning growth reflects the mounting preference for this eco-friendly and robust finishing technique. 1. Choosing service providers. Selecting a proficient service provider is a critical step. Cost factors. Understanding the cost dynamics helps in budgeting your project. The cost hinges on various factors including the type of material, the complexity of the project, and the choice of colors. Environmental footprint. Powder coating stands out for its minimal environmental impact, making it a preferred choice for the environmentally conscious individual or enterprise. Material compatibility. From metals and ceramics to certain plastics, discover the range of materials that can be transformed with a vibrant and durable powder-coated finish. 7. The process unveiled. Take a closer look at the sequential steps involved in powder coating, from pre-treatment and material preparation to the final curing stage. 8. Preparation is key. Proper preparation of the items to be coated is pivotal for achieving a premium quality finish. It involves thorough cleaning, masking, and sometimes sandblasting. Regular care and maintenance ensure that the powder-coated items retain their allure and functionality over time. Avoid common missteps when venturing into powder coating projects, ensuring a satisfactory outcome and a smooth experience from start to finish. Industry expert insights. Leverage expert advice to navigate through the intricacies of powder coating, ensuring your projects stand out in durability and aesthetic appeal. Dive into the vibrant world of powder coating and give your projects a lasting and striking finish. The journey from understanding the basics to the final touch of color is filled with learning and colorful possibilities. Equip yourself with this knowledge and transform your projects into enduring pieces of art. Full blog. https://maltonbest.com/powder coating service Mississauga. 1. Zion Market Research Report on Powder Coatings Market. https://www.zionmarketresearch.com/report, Powder Coatings Market.